How's it going? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. This is going to be the first video, the introduction video to the cheapest CBR1000RR in the USA Resurrection series. So as you can see, here's the bike. So it's a 2009 CBR1000RR. It has a blown motor, so the 08-09 years have piston ring issues, which leads to oil consumption, and the motor blew out the front. I bought it this way. So this is going to be a resurrection series as we transplant a new heart into this thing and bring it back to life. So this is just the first video, the introductory video going over the bike. I'll throw in the footage I have from when I picked the bike up. Let the adventure begin. I'm on my way to go pick up a 2009 CBR1000RR. Alright, so we're in the U-Haul. They didn't have the truck. I was gonna rent the pickup truck with the motorcycle trailer, so they put me in the box van, 10 foot, and luckily they're not gonna charge me for it, so I'm just gonna have to pay for mileage, which is cool. But yeah, on the way, headed up to Santa Clarita. You can see there in the mirror, we got the box behind us and the trailer behind that, and we're just cruising up the road. All right, so here it is, just picked it up. 2009 CBR1000RR with a blown motor. Got it in the trailer with the U-Haul, taking it back home. I'll also do a walk around and do a damage assessment past the engine, other stuff I need to replace. Beginning on this side, so you can tell that this side has gone down before. Some scuffing there, scuffing there, scuffing there. Probably maybe after the engine blew. Got some damage down here. Some stuff going on up here. This must have cracked and then they like glued it or something. The brake pedal is obviously bent. The rear set, you can see that side it's straight. This side it's bent back. Not too bad. This is scraped up too. It's a basic, probably pretty low speed. Fell on the right side. Everything's good up here. I've put new tires on, cleaned the calipers. No damage up front, no damage there. Mirrors are fine. This side is all fine. Everything's good down here. Everything's clean back here. This is all good. This thing is broken. This thing would have mounted, like, I don't know exactly how, but this thing claps around, so I'm gonna be replacing this just with the stock one. Bottom fairing down here, you can see is melted. You can see those melting spots. That was from when the engine blew and the hot oil came out. It also has broken fairing brackets in here. I was worried that it was the fairing, like the bracket was a part of the fairing that was broken. That's not the case. There's separate little plastic brackets in there that are broken on both sides. So far all it really needs is those brackets, that lower fairing, this rear set, the tire hugger, and we're pretty much good to go. The damage is obviously mainly condensed to the motor, the fact that the motor blew. I'll see if I can get in there. Look at the hole in the block. I have the exhaust off. So that's from the motor exploding from oil starvation. So that's pretty much the quick little walk around damage assessment. It's really not too bad besides the motor, obviously. So I have the motor here. This one is from a 2012. It's got like 20,000 miles on it. I did a valve clearance. I had to adjust them. Two of them are out of spec, on one on the exhaust, one on the intake. And then it has new spark plugs. So this thing is ready to go in. It's time to disassemble that, and then this is the box of stuff. This is the new lower fairing, rear sets are in there. And then once I get further into the teardown process and do a little more looking, I'm gonna be placing an order for some OEM parts, like those brackets. That rear tire hugger is only like $8, $5 for the OEM one, brand new. I know I need some bolts for the seat. Those were stripped out. So once I get into it and start tearing it down and seeing what else I'll need to replace OEM, I'll go ahead and place that order to get it all done at once. But now we're gonna begin the teardown process. So far the only thing I've done is I've put tires on it and I've cleaned the calipers, put it back together. I've prepped the engine, I did a valve adjustment, spark plug change, ready to be thrown in. That engine's from a 2012 1000RR, which should fit right in. So today I'm actually starting the disassembly of the bike. So in the next video you'll see me disassembling the bike, taking the engine out, getting it ready to put the engine in. Then we'll do putting the engine in, we'll do a first ride, then we'll do some other videos after that, some track day. We'll do a track day with it, we'll do some other stuff. But thanks for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, follow the the other videos to come, and then we'll also be doing more motorcycle content, more motorcycle videos. This is just the first one, the grand beginning. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, follow me on the journey. I'm gonna be cranking out a lot more videos as we move forward. Thanks guys, peace. Bye, bye.